In today's video, I'm going to teach you to be able to Notion divider color. If you've ever wanted your pages to feel a bit more organized or visually clear, adjusting the color of the divider line in Notion is a quick win. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without any confusion. First, open the Notion website in your browser. Once your workspace loads, decide where you want to work. You can start fresh by creating a new page, or you can open an existing page that already contains your content. Either choice works exactly the same for customizing a divider, so go with whatever is most convenient right now. Next, locate the divider on your page. The divider is the thin horizontal line that separates sections. Hover your cursor over it until you see the block controls appear. You'll typically notice a small handle to the left of the line, and the divider itself will highlight, letting you know it's selected. If it's tricky to grab, move your mouse slowly across the line until the highlight appears, then click to select it. With the divider selected, open the styling options. Look for the color control. Depending on your view, this can appear in the floating toolbar, in the block menu opened from the 6-dot handle to the left, or by right-clicking on the divider. Click Color to reveal the palette. Now choose the color you prefer. As you hover over the options, you'll see the divider update immediately, which helps you preview how it looks in context with your text and headings. Pick the color that best matches your page's tone, section emphasis, or workspace theme. If you change your mind, simply open the color menu again and select a different shade or return to the default. A few quick tips as you fine-tune. Color choices can appear slightly different in light versus dark mode, so if you switch themes regularly, pick a shade that remains clear in both. Stick with 1 or 2 colors throughout your page to keep things consistent and easy to scan. And remember, the color applies only to the divider you selected, so repeat the same process for any other dividers you want to customize. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, create or open a page, click the divider, choose color, and select the shade that fits your style. With just a few clicks, your page gains structure and clarity without adding clutter.